Daily Current Affairs Important Questions MCQs 31 मई 2025 What is the theme of World No Tobacco Day 2025? A. Quit tobacco to save lives. B. Protect youth from tobacco industry interference. C. Say no to smoking. D. Health over habit. Answer B. Protect youth from tobacco industry interference. Whose tenure as DRDO chief was extended by 1 year in May 2025? A. G. Satish Reddy. B. Dr. Samir V. Kamath. C. K. Sivan. D. Dr. Tessie Thomas. Answer B. Dr. Samir V. Kamath. Where will India's first AI-focused special economic zone, SEZ, be established? A. Bengaluru, Karnataka. B. Gurugram, Haryana. C. Nawa Raipur, Chhattisgarh. D. Pune, Maharashtra. Answer C. Nawa Raipur, Chhattisgarh. By which year does India plan to operationalize 47 new national waterways? A. 2026. B. 2025. C. 2030. D. 2027. Answer D. 2027. Which company is collaborating with Tata to set up India's first privately led helicopter manufacturing unit? A. Boeing. B. Airbus. C. HAL. D. Lockheed Martin. Answer B. Airbus. According to the WMO, global temperatures are likely to exceed how much above pre-industrial levels in the next 5 years? A. 1.0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. B. 1.3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. C. 1.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. D. 2.0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Answer C. 1.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Who was awarded the Global Indian of the Year by the Canada-India Foundation in 2025? A. Sundar Pichai. B. Sadhguru. C. Ratan Tata. D. Dr. Devi Shetty. Answer B. Sadhguru. Which cricketer was appointed as Oakley's brand ambassador in 2025? A. Virat Kohli. B. KL Rahul. C. Shaman Gill. D. Rohit Sharma. Answer C. Shaman Gill. Hindi Journalism Day is celebrated on which date every year? A. 15 अगस्त. B. 30 मई. C. 1 नवंबर. D. 5 सितंबर. Answer B. 30 मई. Which newspaper is associated with the beginning of Hindi journalism in India? A. Dainik Jagaran. B. Hindustan. C. Udant Martand. D. Navbharat Times. Answer C. Udant Martand. Goa attained statehood on which date? A. 26 जनवरी 1950. B. 15 अगस्त 1947. C. 30 मई 1987. D. 1 मई 1960. Answer C. 30 मई 1987. The 2025 Malian protests were triggered by which government action? A. Oil price hike. B. Currency devaluation. C. Dissolution of political parties. D. Increase in military budget. Answer C. Dissolution of political parties. Operation Brahma is related to which type of mission? A. Military strike. B. Space mission. C. Disaster relief. D. Trade delegation. Answer C. Disaster relief. What is India's projected GDP growth rate for FY 2025-26 according to CRISIL? A. 5.5%. B. 6.5%. C. 7.5%. D. 8.5%. Answer B. 6.5%. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director of Hitachi India? A. Piyush Goyal. B. Anil Agarwal. C. N. Venu. D. Ritesh Agarwal. Answer C. N. Venu. Which Bollywood actor has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Vogue Eyewear in 2025? A. Shah Rukh Khan. B. Ayushmann Khurrana. C. Shahid Kapoor. D. Ranveer Singh. Answer C. Shahid Kapoor. Indian para-athlete Mahendra Gurjar recently set a world record in which country? A. India. B. Japan. C. Switzerland. D. UAE. Answer C. Switzerland. Cristiano Ronaldo recently reached which career milestone in club football? A. 500 goals. B. 600 goals. C. 700 goals. D. 800 goals. Answer D. 800 goals.